Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jira software, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Atlassian website. Locate the Jira software product section. Click on the Try Jira software free button. Select the plan that best suits your needs. You'll be prompted to create an Atlassian account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Click on Create Account to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Atlassian. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you will be redirected to the setup page. Enter your company name and the number of users. Choose whether you want a cloud or on-premise deployment. If opting for cloud, select the region closest to your location. Click on the Next button to continue. You will now see a setup dashboard. Follow the instructions to customize your Jira software instance. Once customization is complete, click on Create Project to start. Select a template that fits your project needs. Fill in the necessary information for your new project. Click Create once you've filled everything out. You can now explore the features and functionalities of your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.